In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a line graph in Excel. A line graph is a simple and effective way to show how values change over time or across a sequence of categories. It is especially useful when you want to make trends easier to see at a glance. In Excel, creating one is very quick once your data is organized properly. To begin, locate the table of data that you want to turn into a graph. You will need to highlight the full table, including the text headers at the top. This part is important because the headers help Excel understand what each column represents, and they are often used to label the graph automatically. Click and drag across your data so that both the labels and the values are selected before moving on. Once your table is highlighted, go to the top ribbon in Excel and click Insert. The Insert tab is where Excel keeps tools for adding charts, tables, and other visual elements to your worksheet. After you open that tab, look for the Chart section where the graph options are displayed. Next, click the Insert Line or Area Chart icon. This icon usually looks like a set of zigzag lines, which makes it easy to recognize. When you click it, Excel will open a small menu showing different line and area chart styles that you can choose from. This is where you tell Excel exactly what kind of visual you want to create. From that menu, click 2D Line, which is the very first option. As soon as you select it, Excel will generate a line graph based on the data you highlighted. The graph will appear directly in your worksheet, and Excel will use your table headers to help label the chart. This makes the graph easier to read and understand right away. If your graph does not look quite right, a helpful tip is to double-check that you selected the correct data range, especially the headers. Clean, clearly labeled data usually produces the best results. Starting with the basic 2D line chart is also a good choice because it gives you a clean and readable graph without unnecessary formatting. That is the full process. Highlight your table data with the headers, click Insert, choose the Insert Line or Area Chart icon, and then select 2D Line. That covers everything you need to know.